Have you ever wondered how your favorite chocolate is made? It all starts in a tropical forest with the humble cacao tree. This tree bears fruit in the form of large pods, each filled with precious cacao beans. Local farmers armed with knowledge passed down through generations carefully harvest these pods by hand. They crack open the pods, revealing the cacao beans inside. This is where the magic begins. So, the journey of your favorite chocolate begins in a tropical forest with the harvesting of cacao pods. Once the cacao beans are harvested, the real magic begins. Our journey now takes us to a process known as fermentation. Here, the beans are left to ferment for several days, developing the rich flavors that will later become our beloved chocolate. Next, we find ourselves in the drying stage. This is when the beans are spread out under the sun, allowing them to dry naturally. This process is paramount as it prevents the beans from spoiling and further enhances their flavor profile. From here, our beans take a heated turn quite literally as they are roasted. This roasting process brings out that familiar, mouth-watering chocolate flavor we know and crave. The beans, now resembling what we might recognize as chocolate, are then ready for winnowing. Winnowing is the act of removing the shells from the beans to obtain what we call cacao nibs. These nibs are the heart of the chocolate, the pure essence of the cacao bean. Our journey continues with the grinding process. The cacao nibs are ground into a paste, creating a substance known as chocolate liquor. Despite the name, this paste contains no alcohol. Then comes conching, where the chocolate is smoothed out, refining its texture and flavor. Finally, we reach the tempering stage. During tempering, the chocolate is carefully cooled and then slowly reheated. This meticulous process gives the chocolate its shiny appearance and that satisfying snap when you break a piece off. Each step, from fermentation to tempering, is crucial in transforming a bitter cacao bean into the delicious chocolate we all love. Now you might think that after tempering, the chocolate is ready to be eaten, but there's one more step. And it's a step that brings that final touch of magic to our beloved treat. It's called molding. This is where our perfectly tempered chocolate is poured into molds of various shapes and sizes. Could be a simple bar, or maybe intricate designs for those special occasions. The molds then take a chill trip to the cooling chamber. It's here that the chocolate solidifies, taking on the shape of the mold, and voila, a chocolate masterpiece is born. But wait, we're not quite done. Each piece of chocolate is then wrapped in a protective layer, maintaining its freshness and ensuring it's ready for the journey ahead. And so, with each step from bean to bar, we've crafted something truly delightful. And there you have it, a journey from a tropical forest to a delicious bar of chocolate.